Hello, good morning everyone. Today we will study grammar of standard 8 adjectives and degrees of comparison. First of all, what is an adjective? An adjective is a word that tells more about noun or pronoun, including its quality, quantity and position. What is an example? His car is new. Now kinds of adjective. Adjective of quality. Now in this chapter we are going to study about kinds of adjective. First, adjective of quality. Adjective of quality describes shape, size, color of a person or an object. For example, fair and tall are adjective of quality. Now adjective of quantity. They refer to the quantity, means how much. They tell us how much a thing or a person is. For example, some, much are examples of quantity. Now adjective of number. They tell how many person or things are meant. Example, 5 and several. Demonstrative adjective. Point to a person or a thing. For example, these, that, these. Interrogative adjectives. Ask question. For example, what, whose and which. Then possessive adjective. Show possession or belongings. For example, my, our and your. Now proper adjectives. They are formed from proper nouns. For example, Indian and Buddhist are example of proper emphasizing adjective increase or decrease the effect of noun they modifying. Example, utter and absolute. Participle adjective are verbs used as adjective. For example, running train, flying saucer. Noun as adjective. Some nouns are used as adjective. For example, diamond ring, stone wall. Now position of adjective. First position is attributive position. An adjective is placed just before the noun is an attributive position. In such a position, the adjective describes the place. He is an intelligent boy. She is a beautiful lady. Predicative position. An adjective is placed after the linking verbs such as be, become, seems, look, appear and so on in a predicative position. Examples, you look handsome, he is happy. Very often when several adjectives are attached to one noun, they may be placed after it for emphasis. So, example are, the prince, fearless and determined, came to rescue the princess. In certain phrases, adjective always comes after the nouns. For example, here apartment, God Almighty. Now formation of adjective. Adjectives can be formed by adding suffix to the word. Form noun. For example, when we add ish to boy, it becomes boyish. Ful to care, careful. En to gold, golden. Dirt, y to dirt, that is dirty. Less less to sense, that is senseless. Full to play means playful. So these are the suffix. When we add to the noun, they become adjectives. Ceaseless, commendable, tireless are the adjectives. When we add these suffix, they change into adjectives. Degrees of comparison. Degree of comparison are different form of adjective. Adjectives have 3 degrees of comparison: positive, comparative and superlative degree. Let's see, the positive degree is used when no comparison is made. He is a good boy. The comparative degree is used when the comparison is between two object or individual. For example, she is a better swimmer than him. Is always followed by then. The superlative degree is used when more than two person or object of a same class are compared. For example, he is the best in the class. Superlatives are always preceded by the. Now, the comparative degree. Comparative are formed by adding er or more. We add er to short words and we use more with the longer words. For example, big, bigger, small, smaller. When we use comparative to compare two things, we usually mention both the things, or we may mention one and the other is implied. We often use then after comparative for clear understanding. For example, he is taller than you. She speaks louder than her partner. Can you run faster? You can speak louder than this. Can you jump higher? Sometimes we use particular words before comparisons. Much, a lot, a bit, slightly. For example, the 2-bedroom house is much cheaper than the 3-bedroom house. The gold watch was a lot more expensive than the ordinary watch. The cutlets were a bit more spicy than the vegetable roll. The journey was slightly more tireless than the previous one. When we compare two things and one is directly related to the other, we use the. Example, the slower you eat, the better will be your digestion. The harder you work, the better you will do. The superlative degree. We use superlative form when we compare more than two things. Gracie is the most active girl in the class. Neha is the tallest girl in the group. Points to remember. We usually use the before superlative form. Example, the hottest planet, the most comfortable bed. After the superlative form, we use of when we refer to a period of time in with this place. Example, Raghu is the poorest man in the village. Rashi is the most successful dancer in the town. Double form of comparative and superlative of certain adjectives. There are certain adjectives which have forms of comparative and superlative as shown below. Positive, comparative, superlative. Late, later, latest, or late, later, last. Old, older, oldest, or elder or eldest. Far, farther, farthest, or far, further, furthest. Their usage. Late, later and latest, these words refer to time. Example, the train was late. I met him later. This is the latest news on the issue. Latter and last, they refer to position. Example, the designer brought two proposals. The client approved the latter proposal. I was the last person to reach the field. Old, older and oldest. They refer to both person and object. Example, this building is older than the next one. My grandfather is the oldest member of the club. Elder, eldest. They are used only for person and specially for members of the same family. Example, Abhi is my elder brother. Tanima is the eldest of all sister. Elder is not used with then. We don't use then with the elder.